Okay, now to create pattern on any surface which is not round, means there is something different shape. So how to create a pattern on such surface of such shape? Okay, so let's make one round rectangle. So here is a rectangle, center and corner. So we have also option that there is a round sub option inside of that rectangle. So type in 0, enter, and first click corners, then drag your mouse little bit, so it will create a more rounded rectangle. Okay, so now extrude curve, keep solid and both the sides options at no, and specify height 15. 15 is little bit higher, so let's make it. Okay, so now shade it. Oh, sorry, for this we have to use solid option, so we are working directly on solid. So type in cap command, it will close open surface, means apply uh, cap, and it make it solid poly surface. So this is now solid. So only the objects which are showed here closed solid poly surface can be converted to HCl and used for 3D printing. Okay, now let's create some pattern. So go to front view, and I want this kind of pattern. This is shaded and curve interpolate points. Use wireframe, and if you don't want to use right now object snap option, so keep it turn off. So anything will not be snap, means it will not snap to any point. Okay, now I want this is little bit more, more its curvature are little bit high. So I'm just writing because the size is only 8 and curvatures are little bit high, so we can control them using control point curves. Now I want another copy. Okay, I'm using alter. I'm pressing alter key and just clicking on this rotational axis option. So it will. It's accidentally. I just move it. Only we have to keep pressing alter key and click on this rotational axis. It will ask for the angle. So type in 180. Now another curve has been created. So you can adjust it according to your requirement. Okay, drag them upside and make little bit up and down. Okay, up and down changes are done. Select them, use mirror option, and now turn on O snap. Click these two options, select them, and okay, you can also drag them outside. Okay, if you want, you can also scale them, but the curvature will be changed. Okay, now I'm going to use project option. So project will project the curves onto this solid object's surface. So now it's completely closed. The closed curves are there. So right now this is perfect. I don't want this curve right now. So move to another layer and turn off the layer. Now I want to create some section using this both the curves. Okay. So create one line, select line or select curve, make sure it is touching both the curves. Now click on this option, show curve edit points, and type in rebuild command. So right now this curve has 2 points, and rebuild command will create more points on that curve. Okay, so now we are going to use wireframe and just make changes as you want. So I want this kind of cross section. So I'm just dragging 2 points inside and then center point little bit this type. Okay. So if you don't want this kind of changes, what you have to plan your section first, then you can make changes accordingly. Okay, right now I have one curve, two curve, and this is cross section. So sweep to command is very useful right now. First rail, second rail, and select cross section, then apply done. So keep all these things selected. Closed sweep is good option for right now. So this is closed sweep. You can also use ghosted option to see shaded with this inside surface. Okay. Select the surface. Go to top view. Means drag it, scale it little bit higher than this bigger cube, this bigger poly surface or rectangle. What can say this shape? So surface must be little bit scaled higher than this one. So why? Because I'm going to use Boolean different option. So select the object, then enter, and select this surface and enter. Oh, it's not working. I think I should make it little bit higher in scale. Go to Boolean difference. Select. Oh, select this object, then enter. Select the surface, then enter. It's not showing what happened. Select. Okay, let's select the surface. Type in again sweep to first rail, second rail, cross section, enter. And now I'm not going to close sweep. Okay, and select the surface. Go to top view and make it little bit higher in scale. Let's make this time too much high. Okay, use Boolean difference. Select, enter, select the surface, enter. Yeah, this is now perfectly done. Okay, we are doing similar thing for this option, this curves. Let's first make a line. So line will, why line? Because it has only 2 points and it will create, we can also convert into uh, different kind of shapes, open curve. So select the curve, rebuild option is there to make, I want right now only four curves. Okay, so we have 4 points, so drag it as you want. If you want this much, this line little bit higher, and this is and you can also drag outside, but it will not remove remove any material. So that's why. Okay, let's make this kind of changes. What can do? Yeah, this is different is not okay. Fine. So this is too much. Now sweep to command. Select first rail, second rail, then cross section. Enter. Okay. Select the surface. Go to top view and make it in higher scale. Okay. H3 has been blocked. Now we are going to use Boolean difference. Select the main object, then enter. Select the surface, then enter. Oh, it's again same error. I think it was close with again sweep to first rail, second rail, cross section, then enter. Okay, untick this option close sweep. We don't want close sweep. It should be open. Then select the surface, go to top view, and keep pressing Shift key. See, I'm pressing while I'm scaling this option. I'm using Shift key. So keep pressing Shift key. Use this scaling option. It will scale in all the directions. So if you don't use shift key, it will only scale in this direction only. So we don't want this. We need scale in all the directions. And now use Boolean difference. Select the main object, enter, and select this surface. So right now the cut has been created. So this is pattern on this kind of surface. So this is odd even pattern but in symmetric form. Thank you.